determine whether or not the square root is rational or irrational. Rational or irrational. Irrational square roots. Okay, so if you're given square root of 31, do you think it's going to be rational or irrational? An easy way to determine whether or not it's irrational is just go over all your perfect squares. Perfect squares are numbers that are just like the answer to things squared. So like in 1 squared, a perfect square would be 1. 2 squared, a perfect square would be 4. 3 squared, a perfect square would be 9. Keep going. 4 squared, 16. These are your perfect squares right here. On the right hand side, they're numbers squared. That's basically what it is. 5 squared is 25. 6 squared is 36. 7 squared is 49. These are all squares right here. 8 squared is 64. Now look at this. This is square root of 31. Is it listed as a perfect square? So if it is not 31, is not a perfect square. So basically I'm saying that the radicand inside, which is 31, is not a perfect square. That means it is going to be irrational. Why? Because these right here are all rational. So if they're not listed right here, they're going to be what? Not rational or irrational. So remember that whenever the number inside the radical, your radicand, is not one of these perfect squares, anything squared, because look, 31 lies between 25 and 36. It's not here. It can either be 25 or 36 to be rational. So if it's not one of those, it's going to be irrational.